I want to first thank you all for your support in my new venture, same name, new venture, where you can purchase your rhinestone mask and oh so cute other accessories. So today I'm going to show you how to put together your face shield if you've purchased one. So here's the face shield right here. I absolutely love it because you can still wear your favorite lip gloss or lipstick while you wear this, and as you can see, it's clear, transparent, so therefore it matches any outfit that you might wear. So as I've stated on my website, don't let your mask cramp your style. So today I'm going to show you how to put these together, because of course when we mail them, we can't mail them like this. They have to come in 2 pieces, and so here we go. In your package, you will receive 2 separate pieces, a face shield and an eyeglass frame. You will need to remove the film off of the face shield. There is a piece of film on both sides of the face shield. This is very important because you want to be certain that you have the most transparent face shield that you can have. Initially, I did not know this, and I had only taken off one side. It may take you a few moments, but you will get it. Be patient and persevere. There you go. You've got it. Now to attach the eyeglass frames. You will notice 2 holes at the top of your face shield. Place it down furthest away from you and pick up the eyeglass frames. You need to pull apart the blue tab on each side. You only want to take it out of the hole that it is securely put into. Do that on both sides. It may require a little extra strength than you think. There you go. Now to secure the eyeglass frames onto the shield. Again, place your shield down so that the 2 dots are furthest away from you. Now you're going to pick up one side of the shield and fold it in between the blue flap and the eyeglass frame. Line the hole up and push the blue tab into both holes. This may take a little bit of time, but it's fairly simple to do. Now to do the other side. Your mask. Okay, so what I love about these masks, a couple things. They're transparent, they're clear, you can see through them, they match any outfit, you can wear your favorite lip gloss with it, and then come in really close. Number one, you didn't feel that, but guess what? If you were right here, you wouldn't feel it either. You cannot feel the heat. That's how strong this plastic is. Secondly, although it might initially fog up, it dissipates very quickly, so it is anti-fog. And one of my other things I love about this, if you wear sunnies a lot or prescription glasses, you can still rock your face shield. How awesome is that? So as we say here at Where Fashion Meets Faith, don't let your mask cramp your style. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to get your face shields and also your blinged out mask. Holla.